last program in our chapter number 9 list. So here write a user defined function to check if a number is present in the list or not. If the number is present, return the position of that number, print the appropriate message if the number is not present. So this is called searching. So here we need to perform one searching method is called a linear search. Linear search means from the list beginning of the list we can search the number. If our number is found, then we can just print the number is found at that position. So otherwise we can just print the number is not in the list. So this program is also using function. So function is not in our syllabus, so we can rewrite this program without using function, normal linear search. So this is the program. So first we need to create a list, empty list. List1 is equal to empty list. Then I set a variable flag is equal to 0. This is later we can use this variable. So then we can just ask to the user how many numbers you want to enter. So here I set the limit maximum. So here I enter the number, then just enter the number and append that number to the list. So here this for loop is used to take the number from the user and create the list using append function. So after this for loop we have a list with some numbers. So then we need another variable, another number. So enter the number to be searched. So which number you want to search, so that also taken from the user, that is stored in the num variable. So then we can just use a traverse from the list starting position to the end of the list, that is 0 to length of the list. Then we can check each variable like list1 of I. So first list1 of 0 equal to that searched number. If that number, if this condition is true, which means that that number is found, so we can just set that flag variable, then break from that loop. So if number is not found, then we can move to the next for loop, then next the list of 1, next list of 2, list of 3 up to list of n. N means here maximum. So here from the first index to the last index we move, that is called linear searching, linear function from starting to the end, that is called a linear search. So then after completing this for loop we can just here one more condition is there, if flag equal to 0. So which means that if in the initial I set the flag is equal to 0, when any number is found, that is searching is true, then only flag become 1. So then after this searching we can just check that if flag equal to 0, then we can say that that number is not in the list, because if number is in this list, then flag become 1. So if flag is equal to 0, then we can say that the number is not in the list. Otherwise we can say that number is present in I plus 1 position. So I plus 1 means this for loop here, look at that, this for loop, when this is found, then it will be break. So here next position means here we can index is start from 0. So here the I plus 1 is the I plus 1 means it is started from the 0. So if the number is in first position, we can just print a 0 plus 1. So if the number is second position, we can just print 1 plus 1 like that. So this is the program for linear searching. So we can just run this program. So first how many number, so I just enter 5. So we can just enter the number 4, 9, 4, 9, 8, 7, 3. Then which number you want to search, so I will just search number 7. So look at that, number 7 is present at the 4th position. This is the output. So here number 7 is present at the 4th position. So here again I need to just run this program to search the, so here look at that, I just enter 5, then 5, 8, 7, 4, 3. So I just enter the number 9, so which is not in our list. So look at the output is number not in present in our list. So this is the two different output. So this number is present, the present condition, this number is not present the condition. So this is the program. So in our textbook that program is using function is not in our syllabus, so you can rewrite this program to your fair notebook. So linear search is important for your theory and practical. So this is the last portion